Lionel Messi is from Argentina. Al Lewandowski is from Poland. Neymar Jr. is from Brazil. Erling Haaland is from Norway. Luka Modric is from Croatia. Vinicius Jr. is from Brazil. Harry Kane is from England. Romelu Lukaku is from Belgium. Rodrigo is from Brazil. Yes, Ramos is from Spain. Karim Benzema is from France. H. Maguire is from England. Ashraf Hakimi is from Morocco. Sunit Chetri is from India. Cristiano Ronaldo is from Portugal. Yes Man is from Senegal. J. Rodriguez is from Colombia. I. Gandagan is from Germany. J. Bhuyan is from Bangladesh. Sanu Hangmin is from South Korea. Anshu Fati is from Spain. E. Mendy is from Senegal. Kolo Kante is from France. Y. Bono is from Morocco. Thomas Muller is from Germany. Angel Di Maria is from Argentina. Sergio Aguero is from Argentina. M. Neuer is from Germany. Luis Suarez is from Uruguay. Gareth Bale is from Wales. Andres Iniesta is from Spain. Gianluigi Buffon is from Italy. Mohamed Salah is from Egypt. Gareth Peak is from Spain. Erling Hazard is from Belgium. Kaka is from Brazil. I. Casillas is from Spain. T. Courtois is from Belgium. Zlatan Ibrahimovic is from Sweden. Kylian Mbappe is from France. Virgil van Dijk is from Netherlands. Emiliano Martinez is from Argentina. No Dembele is from France. Riyad Mahrez is from Algeria. C. Romero is from Argentina. O. Giroud is from France. Marquinhos is from Brazil. Granit Xhaka is from Switzerland. Paul Pogba is from France. Ederson is from Brazil. Mesut Ozil is from Germany. Thank you for watching.